Okay, I got another milestone video of my antenna RF signal conditioner and preselector. Everything's mounted. That right there is the impedance matcher, and this toggle switch right here is for configuring it pi or T. And that's the selectivity controls right there. And here's your preselector there, your capacitor, and your 6 coils, your preselector. And then here's the attenuator and the RF gain. And when I demonstrate this at the end, I'll explain all these toggle switches. So everything's all mounted. This is pretty much finished, ready to go. Show you the inside of it. Remember, I made a video and I showed you about mounting the capacitors. Well, all this stuff is now mounted. You can see I can turn the knob and the blades turn. Yay. And it's all mounted up. These little tabs, see these little tabs here? These are for grounds. I'm going to stand this on its nose, and you'll see there's a tab there, and another tab right there. These are grounding tabs. All my toggle switches have tape on them marking, and there's switch 0 through, they're not really in sequence. There's switch 13 right there, and there's a switch 14 somewhere. So everything's all marked. All I got to do is wire this puppy up now, and lay out the rear panel where the RF connectors will go. I haven't done that. Here's the inside of the bottom. Not really much to see there. It's just, you know, where I drilled the holes. All the screws. All the screws have got the appropriate flat washer, lock washer, and nut. See these white things? There's 7 of them. These are actually, instead of sticky, those little 1-inch sticky squares for wire ties, I'm using these. They've got, get that shadow out of there. Where's that coming from? See, there's one there, and there's 5 across the front. Turn it around, it might be easier to see. 5 across the front. The tie wrap goes in through this, and this is for cabling up. The way I'm going to wire this is I will lay this front panel forward, wire it up, and then this panel will just sit into place, and all the wiring will tuck right in under here. Then it'll feed to the interconnect board here and here. Here's the interconnect board. The amp is going to be mounted. I'm going to use heavy resistor leads soldered to the ground plane of the amp and run it through this proto board right here and solder it to the proto board. So the preamp's going to be mounted on its edge right here on this proto board. So that's where I'm at. That's where I'm at. It's coming along. I'm getting there. Thanks for watching.